So now we're on page 185. We're looking at relaxation and meditation. So meditation, there really isn't a definition for meditation, but meditation is a way to focus your mind and to control your thoughts, to learn to control your thoughts. There's different ways to meditate. You can meditate on focusing on your breathing or a particular sound or image. There's guided meditations. There's just all different kinds of ways to meditate. I am going to include an example, like a YouTube link for you to meditate on this slide. So meditation is useful in so many different ways. It has so many health benefits. It's good for reducing stress. So it can benefit you by lowering your heart rate. It's good for diabetes. It's good for blood pressure, all kinds of cardiovascular disease, just stress, depression. It just has so many health benefits. So I just highly recommend it, especially with your stressful lives. It could really be a good way to kind of quiet your mind. Other kinds of meditation, yoga is a moving meditation if you ever take yoga classes. Not necessarily the power yoga that I know that is out there. Let's see. Prayer can be seen as a type of meditation. Hiking, sitting on the beach, listening to the waves, those kinds of things can be meditative. Prayer, I said prayer, but there's different kinds of things that can be seen as meditative, but just sitting and focusing on your breath and just trying to really quiet your mind. And that's really kind of the key to this, is just trying to quiet your mind and getting the thoughts out of your mind, and being kind to yourself, in the fact that yes, when you're trying to meditate, you're going to have thoughts trying to interject themselves into your mind, but just trying to keep your focus and just tell those thoughts, okay, I'll get back to you later, but and then try to focus back to the act of meditating. First I'm going to show you a link of a movie. It's a clip from the movie Eat, Pray, Love. The main character goes on a journey. She goes to 3 different countries to kind of better herself. And one of the places she goes to is India, to an ashram to learn to meditate. And you can see her struggle in trying to meditate. And then I'm going to show you a link. The next one is going to be a link where I want you to meditate. And so just like the instructions on the slide say, please just close your eyes and listen. Don't talk. Don't look around. Just try to be as still and as quiet as possible. And enjoy it.